Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. Today we're going to talk about how to winterize a car. This video will explore everything that you'll need and provide methods that will keep your car in good condition in the cold season. So, make sure you stick around for that. During winter, a lot of things prove to be a challenge for drivers, including frozen doors, a car's battery turning off, a windscreen and windows full of ice. A buildup of moisture and the snow is slippery as well. Winterizing your car is an ideal way to get ahead of things. It is advisable to start winterizing your car early in the fall, and it can be done in the following ways. 1. Change your tires to winter tires because it provides a great grip on the slippery snow. And have a shorter braking distance, which enhances safety and ensures maximum performance during the winter. And always ensure that the required pressure is always maintained. 2. Winter wipers should be installed, as they are heavier and come with rubber that ensures the ice won't collect on them. 3. Take your car for a winter service to ensure that your battery, cooling system, brakes, belts, spark plugs, cables, wires, and hoses are in the best condition for the winter conditions. 4. Be informed about driving in the winter. For instance, you can learn about how fast you should drive, what gear should be used, the solutions to sliding, and the stopping distance between cars. 5. It's important to also know what to do in case you get stuck in the snow, so as to prevent tragedies. 6. Ensure you have a safety kit on board that are winter-friendly, and this includes matches, a first aid kit, a flashlight, and extra batteries, an ice scraper, a set of warm clothes, jumper cables, car toolkit, antifreeze. 7. Ensure that the car's fuel tank is always at least half full. This ensures that you're not stuck in awkward places. You should also keep your car warm while waiting for help in case you're stuck. So there you have it. Winterizing your car is that easy, and it helps keep your car in great condition during the cold season. I hope this helps. Feel free to leave a comment, like, and share this video. Till next time.